Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I have done videos like this in the past, but I want to make an updated video for you guys, so some of you guys that are new, plus the app has changed a lot since I have made these videos. But I want to share with you guys 3 apps where all you guys do is just scan your receipts and you get points. Now there may be a waiting list for some of these items. I don't know why there's a waiting list, but you just join the waiting list and that's all you have to do. But when you guys get accepted, you guys can start scanning your receipts. Now I've been using 2 of these apps for at least 3 years now, and then I just started using another app about a month or so ago. So the apps that I'm talking to you guys about right here is Receipt Hog. This is the this is what it looks like when you guys open it. And then we also have Coinout, which I just started using about a month ago. A lot of people say they like it. I don't know if I truly like it, but there is that. And then we also have Receipt Pal. Now Receipt Pal has totally changed over time, but I'm here to share with you guys how to use these apps. So right now, since we have Receipt Pal, basically what you guys do is you scan your receipt. Now usually they let you scan with Receipt Pal, for every receipt you guys scan, or for every 4 receipts, you guys get 100 points. Okay, and they let you get about, I haven't been scanning a lot of receipts as much lately because I keep forgetting. But usually they give you 3 or 4 of these like green squares, so you guys can get up to 300 or 400 points a week. Then after you guys scan your receipts, after you hit your limit, then they just give you points to win a sweepstakes. I have never won the sweepstakes out of the whole 3 years that I'm doing this, but I do have a lot of points added up. It does take a while. I think for the last time I redeemed points was probably a year or 2 ago. So it does take a long time. I just like to get bigger gift cards, or I like to save them around Christmas time, and I will be making a video of you guys how I save for Christmas. And if you are not watching this when I post it, just look for the video of how I save for Christmas and you guys can see information on that too. But here you guys can get rewards. They have level 1, so if you get 2,000 points, you guys can get a $5 Amazon gift card or a $5 retail gift card, which is I think like Best Buy, Walmart, Target. I think 3,200 points is a $10, 7,500 points is a $25, and then if you get 14,000 points, you can get a $50 Amazon gift card, which I'm probably going to start saving up for that because I only need about 4,000 more points, but just depends. But those are the points that you guys can get through Receipt Pal, and all you guys have to do is scan your receipt. So I have a CVS receipt that I'm gonna just scan because I haven't scanned this. Okay, sorry, I have a crying baby. But with my CVS receipts, I actually just kind of fold it because they don't need to see like everything that you bought. So what you guys do, if you guys can't really see this, is what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Receipts, and you're just gonna push the little button. Okay. Now with Receipt Pal, you're actually just gonna scan the whole receipt. So if you guys can kind of see this, you're gonna scan the whole receipt like this. So just try to get it in the camera as much as possible and take a picture of it. It'll ask you if it looks good. You say yes, send it, and voila. So then what happens is then they'll have to approve it. There are some times where you might have accidentally done that. So once I get 4 receipts, or 4 check marks, then I get 100 points to go into my account. So there is that. If you guys were interested in Receipt Pal, super easy. I love this app. I've never had problems with it. It's very legit. Now we're gonna go to Coinout. Now Coinout, Coinout, I think is what it's called. Like I said, I've only gotten $1.56 from this thing. I still am learning how to use it. But what you guys do is you just hit scan. Again, you have to scan the whole receipt. So if you guys can kind of see that, and then you just make sure the logo's in it. I'm looking through my camera screen. Okay, so then what you do is you just hit submit. Then it just loads it, and then it'll tell you how much I made. So I made 15 cents off of that one. Wow, 15 cents. That's the most I've gotten so far. So that's all you guys do is just scan your receipts and you get a couple points. Most cents I've gotten is 3 cents. So yeah, this is Coinout. Then what happens? So what you guys will do is just click this little button right here. My phone number will pop up, so I'm going to hide that because I don't want you guys to see my phone number. But here is basically how much I have in my account. And then you guys can choose between your gift card, your bank, or your PayPal. And then here it has all your receipts, but it won't scroll down because I have my screen covered. But that's all you guys do. Like I said, it does take a while if you guys do use that app. And then my last app that I want to share with you guys is the Receipt Pal. Now, I love Receipt Hog. I've been using this for, again, a couple years. And one thing I do want to share with you guys is I have something I want to share with you guys. That's what that little red thing is. But what you guys do is you get bonus points. So what you need to do is make sure you guys scan receipts. Now, I think 12 is the limit that you guys can do a week. Or, no, you guys can actually do unlimited. But what you guys would do is you guys can scan your receipt. Like right here, it'll tell you everything that you bought, and it keeps track of it. And then they also send you surveys, and then they also send you survey questions that you guys can get points for that. I sometimes get stuff, and then you get points if you have your Amazon connected in your email. But this has taken me a while. I can tell you guys what. Last time I redeemed my points, I'd redeemed $40 back almost 2 years ago. So it does take a while. But you guys can get an Amazon gift card, a Visa gift card, or a PayPal. So what you guys can do is with the 1,000 points, you can get $5, almost 3,000 points, 15. And then I have enough right now for $40. So I have to redeem that soon. But all you guys do is just, you know, click the redeem. Some of you guys ask how to do it. You just click it, and then it'll send you a link of your gift card and stuff like that. But what you do is you can just scan all your receipts. It'll keep track of it for you, which is also nice because then if you guys ever have a problem with something and you need to look at a receipt, here you have it on file. But for this, when you guys capture it, you just click that button. And what you need to do is you actually have to take several photos. So this is just like the Ibotta app. So you guys are going to just take a photo like that. And then you're going to just kind of scan the bottom of it. And then what you guys are going to do is just hit done. And then it'll say, does it look good? Submit your receipt. And then they ask you who you were with. I was with my daughter. So there's that. And then it'll upload it. And then once this says it's uploaded, then you can start scanning another one. Sometimes this does take a while. Sometimes it doesn't. If it will hurry up. But then, yeah, so now it's processing, so then you guys can submit another receipt. But right here, they have this thing where you guys can get points. And you mostly get the points when you shop at grocery stores. So once you guys get this filled, then you guys can get more bonus points. But right now, I hardly ever fill that thing, and it's not a big deal. You still get points or... Sorry, my baby's crying again. But here, you guys can basically just hit the slots button. And this is when you guys submit a certain receipt, you can get a point. But every time you guys do submit your receipts for every week, you get more slots to do. So what you guys do is you just pull it, and then let's see if we won anything. So right now I have 4 things that I can do, and it looks like I lost. So we'll do it again. And these are just to get bonus coins is what they call it. Okay, so I didn't win anything on here, which is fine, but once I submit more of my receipts, I'll get more slots to scan. So those are the 3 apps that I just wanted to share with you guys on how to get free gift cards or save money. It's pretty easy. These are 2 of my favorite apps, and the Coinout I'm still learning how to do. But other than that, you guys can get points, you know. So then next week, after June 7th, it will be 2 weeks. So once I scan a receipt, then I'll be able to do 2 polls, and then more and more and more. So just wanted to share with you guys on that, on how to scan your receipts and get free stuff. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to answer your questions and help you guys get out on getting free money. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.